This month, I checked 50 cars, different brands, different years, different owners: Toyota, Ford, Nissan, Honda, Hyundai, Chevy, Dodge, Jeep. And I am not exaggerating when I tell you this. Every single one had the exact same hidden problem. The owners had absolutely no idea. And this problem, it is costing the average American driver $600 to $800 every single year, right now, in your car, whether you know it or not. So what exactly is this problem? Let me show you, because what I found genuinely shocked me. I have been a mechanic for over 12 years. I have looked under a lot of hoods, but this one never stops shocking me, because it is not complicated. It is not buried deep inside your engine. It is something you can see with your own eyes right now and fix yourself in less than 20 minutes for under $5. But here is what really gets me. Most people spend $300 to $500 at a shop trying to fix the symptoms, when this one hidden thing is the real cause of all of it. And before I show you exactly what it is, I need you to know one thing first. Everything I am about to show you, you can do yourself. No mechanic needed, no special tools, just your own two hands and the right knowledge. By the time this video ends, you will know exactly how to find this problem in your car, fix it yourself in under 20 minutes, and save potentially $600 to $800 this year alone. Stick with me the whole way through, because what I'm about to show you is something your dealership is hoping you never figure out. All right, let us get into it. Here's exactly what I found on all 50 cars. Car number 1 this month was a 2019 Toyota Camry. The owner came in complaining about slow starts. Battery was fine. Alternator was fine. Starter tested perfectly fine. But something was quietly draining this car's electrical system. I walked to the battery and looked closely at the terminals. And there it was. White and green corrosion. Thick. Built up for years. This is what mechanics call battery terminal corrosion, and let me tell you something most mechanics will never explain to you. This corrosion is not just ugly, it is slowly and silently killing your car's entire electrical system. Here is what is actually happening inside your car right now. That white and green buildup creates electrical resistance. Resistance means your battery cannot deliver full power to your car. Your starter struggles every single morning. Your alternator works twice as hard to keep up. Your electrical system starts behaving strangely. Warning lights come on for no obvious reason. Your AC does not blow as cold as it should. Your headlights flicker at night. Your car feels sluggish and hesitates when you start it. Sound familiar? And here is the part that really gets me. Most people blame the battery. They go buy a brand new one, $150 to $200 gone. The exact same problem comes back 3 months later. Because the battery was never the issue, the corrosion on the terminals was. So I checked car number 2, a 2020 Ford F-150. Same exact corrosion, same exact symptoms. Car number 3, a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Same thing. Car number 4, a Honda Civic. Same thing. Car number 5, a Nissan Altima. Same thing. Car number 10, a Chevy Silverado. Same thing. By car number 10, I stopped being surprised. By car number 50, I stopped staying quiet about it. That is why I made this video. Because you deserve to know. Now let me show you exactly how to fix this. Step by step. It is easier than you think and cheaper than you ever imagined. Here is everything you need. A box of baking soda, 1 cup of warm water, an old toothbrush, and petroleum jelly. Total cost, under $5. And you probably already have all of this at home. Step 1, turn your car completely off, key out of ignition. Step 2, disconnect the negative terminal first. Always negative first. This is critical for your safety. Then disconnect the positive terminal. Step 3, look closely at the terminals. Take a photo on your phone so you can see the difference after. Step 4, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda into 1 cup of warm water. Pour it slowly and directly over both corroded terminals. Watch what happens next. It starts bubbling immediately. That bubbling is the baking soda neutralizing the acid corrosion. Let it sit and work for 2 full minutes. Step 5, Take your old toothbrush and scrub gently in small circles. You will see the corrosion lifting away right before your eyes. Rinse the terminals clean with plain water. Step 6. Dry everything completely with a clean cloth. Do not skip this. Step 7. This is the step most people skip, and it is the most important one. Apply a thin coat of petroleum jelly to both terminals. This creates a protective seal. It stops new corrosion from forming again. Step 8. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Now start your car. That is it. Under $5, under 20 minutes. Problem completely solved. One quick note: if your terminal clamps are badly cracked or damaged, you may need to replace the connectors themselves. Those cost $8 to $15 at any auto parts store, still far cheaper than any shop will charge you. Now I want to tell you what happened with that very first Toyota Camry. And honestly, this is the real reason I made this video. That Toyota Camry owner, she had already visited 2 different shops before she came to me. First shop charged her $120 just for a diagnostic, then told her she probably needed a new alternator, a $400 job. She said no, decided to get a second opinion. Second shop tested the battery, told her it was weak, sold her a brand new battery, $180. 2 shops, 2 visits, neither one ever touched her battery terminals. Total she spent before walking into my shop, $300. I fixed her car in 18 minutes for $0. Because she already had baking soda in her kitchen, she sat in my waiting room and just shook her head. She said, "Nobody told me." Nobody even looked at the terminals. That is not an accident. A customer who knows how to fix this themselves is a customer who does not need to come back to the shop. And here is what I really need you to understand before we wrap up. This is not just a Toyota problem. This is your problem too. Right now, sitting in your own driveway. I want to be crystal clear about something. This problem affects every single car on the road. Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Ford, Chevy, Hyundai, Mitsubishi, Dodge, Jeep. Every car with a battery, which is every car, can develop this exact problem. It gets worse in states with hot summers and cold winters. Heat speeds up the corrosion. Cold makes the resistance even worse. The older your car, the more likely this is already happening. If your car is more than 2 years old and you have never cleaned your battery terminals, I can almost guarantee this is affecting your car right now. Go pop your hood after this video and take a look. You might be shocked at what you find. And before you do, let me show you exactly how much money this has been costing you and how much you are about to save starting today. Here is the real math behind this. Diagnostic fee at a shop, $120 to $150. New battery you did not need, $150 to $200. Alternator replacement you did not need, $400 to $500. Now here is your side of the math. Baking soda and petroleum jelly, under $5. Time spent, 20 minutes. The difference, $600 to $800. Every single time this goes undiagnosed. Do this simple cleaning once every 6 months, and you will never pay for this problem again. Now let me bring this full circle, because there is one thing I want you to walk away with from this video. 50 cars this month, 50 different owners, 50 different stories. One hidden problem in every single one. A problem that costs hundreds of dollars when it goes undetected. A problem that takes 20 minutes and $5 to fix. Your car is trying to tell you something right now. The question is, are you listening? You now have the knowledge to find it yourself. Fix it yourself. Before it turns into a $400 diagnostic bill. Before someone sells you a battery you do not need. Before your car leaves you stranded on the side of the road. Take 20 minutes this weekend. Pick up $5 worth of supplies from the grocery store and fix it yourself today. If this video helped you, I have one small favor to ask. Hit that like button right now. It helps YouTube show this video to more car owners who need it before they waste money at a shop. And subscribe for real, honest car advice every single week. No fluff, no upsells, no dealership nonsense. Just what actually works. Straight from the shop floor. And before you close this video, I have one question for you. When was the last time you checked your battery terminals? Drop your answer in the comments right now. And if you check after watching this video and you find corrosion, tell me 2 things: what color it is and what car you drive, because I can tell you exactly how serious it is just from those 2 details. I read every single comment. Let us figure this out together. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.